Hello friends, today you will learn how to make signature digital in Photoshop. Let's start. Crop your sign. Zoom a little and click on channels and pick green layer. After this, click on image and click on adjustment and click curves and set the curves where it's become perfect. After this, press Ctrl and click on green layer. Select inverse the selection. Hide the layer and pick solid color and choose the color which you want. After select color, click on OK. Now you can use this sign. If this video is helpful for you, then subscribe this channel for more videos.